And the last person who had this fucking greasy ass connectors.
That ain't no lube, though.
Definitely so. I need these right here. You want to take these off right here. Put them in a safe spot, because you do not want to lose these rubber O-rings. Go. That's 2. That's 1. Got some sludge in there. I'm gonna go in there with a Q-tip and get all that stuff out. So over here. Alright, let me grab the WRX fuel injector.
We going into the throttle body. Oh, look at that.
Oh.
Subaru WRX injector.
Pretty sure these are over.
Oh, the WRX injector.
Yeah, they're oversized for that. I knew they would.
Dude, this camera is legit.
Yeah, it's got optical stabilization. This here, where's another fuel injector?
Did you put it in the bag?
No, I put it over. My God, I can't keep a track of shit. Oh wait, hold up, I didn't even take it off. All right, so you guys can know the difference. This is the TL1000 fuel injector. This is a Subaru fuel injector. This is basically the same thing, same size and everything. This is a 4-hole or 8-hole, and this is obviously, if you can see in the video, hit the focus. One has got 12 holes, another one has 8 holes. Maybe 4? Like 4. But yeah. You can definitely see the difference. And these will slide right in the stock connectors. Right in, boop, plug right in, plug and play. Grab that O-ring you had before, slider, either, I would suggest sliding it in there, so you don't lose shit.
Like it's a buck and a rug.
Yep. And let's see if there's some fuel here somewhere. It's dripping. If we get some fuel, maybe a little oil so we don't pinch that O-ring and spray oil everywhere, which I done on my last turbo build.
You ever pinch up them?
Just a little bit of oil, doesn't have to be crazy. I wipe it away. Here. Fly connector. Where's, oh, it's already on there. I'm a dumbass. I'm just gonna put this one over here. Grab the second one.
Still WRX injector.
WRX fuel injector. Let's see here. It doesn't matter which it does. 1 and 2 should be in the front. Matter of fact, what am I doing? Feel around. Put that in there, like so. I have too much oil in my hand. Put too much oil in my hand, like a dumbass. I would just suggest snugging them down just a little bit. Boom. Time to start in the rear. Super loose. By the way, this is a 19mm bolt. There we go. When you get done doing something like this, make sure you turn on the vehicle to make sure there's no leaks or anything. Learned this the hard way at the dyno shop. There we go. So we're fuel injectors inside of this TL1000. Plug and play. I'm about to test if that fuel pump is going to bring anything out of it. Every time you change your fuel injectors, make sure they're not leaking or anything. So we're gonna turn this on and see. Nope. Let's see if it's turning. Yeah, that's what it's supposed to be doing. It can't start because it's running. Surprised it'll start with that setup. They're too big for that. But as you can see, the bike is trying to start. That's how it should be. So I'm gonna go inside, grab my laptop, and I'm gonna connect to the PC.